sign of the apocalypse. In India, for example, the eclipse symbolizes Rahu, demon of darkness, devouring the sun. The Chinese believe the eclipse is caused by a dragon. Goku. Goku!
Yeah, what?
Did you do that?
Yeah.
You used your key.
Wait, you know about Key?
Just because my name is Chi-Chi doesn't make me a complete idiot.
Right. Right, because there's a lot stupider names than Chi-Chi. I'm not saying that Chi-Chi's a stupid name. I'm just saying that it's not normal. But normal's overrated. I'm not saying that you're stupid or overrated. I'm gonna stop now.
Hey, I'm having a party tonight at my house.
I'll be there.
Okay.
What are you doing here, Geeko?
I'm just going to the party. Look, I was invited. I'm not looking for any trouble.
Trouble found you, freak. So listen, why don't you turn around, walk away. No one will even know you were here. See ya. Later, loser.
All right. I'm not doing that. I made a promise that I wasn't going to fight.
What?
I made a promise that I'm not going to fight.
Oh. Don't worry, it won't be a fight. It'll be a massacre.
Missed. Missed again. That's gotta hurt. Hey, Chi-Chi! Hey, thanks for inviting me to your party. Oh, and Fuller, your boys. They've been showing me what they got. Nothing.
You're so dead.
No, Kate, stop!
My car!
Nice swing, good form. Close one. Doing good. Hey, Fuller. Hey, you got a couple of dings there you might want to try buffing out.
Where is it? I know it's here.
Are you Piccolo? Did you kill my grandfather?
Listen, idiot. If I was a Piccolo, whatever that is, I wouldn't tell you. And if I did kill your grandfather, I would have shot you by now. Somebody stole my Prometheum orb, and I'm here to get it back.
What?
You have it. Nice move, but I'm not gonna miss again. My father found that Prometheum orb 20 years ago, and you stole it from me last night. I'm not leaving here without it.
I don't know what you're talking about. This is a Dragon Ball. So since you 4-star ball, I promised my grandfather I would keep it safe, so I'm not letting anyone take it from me.
4 stars. Prometheum orb has 5 stars.
Who's the idiot? Look at it.
Oh my God. I could have killed you.
Oh, you weren't even close.
I knew it. There are others.
7 to be exact.
What do you want for this one?
It's not for sale.
Everybody's got a price.
Not me. What happened to your Dragon Ball?